it's Melissa here from Little Kosher Lunch. Come on in. Say, come in. Come in. I've teased you long enough. Tonight we're having our neighborhood Latke Schmooze, and I just wanted to give you a really quick overview of what we've prepared and how we've set our table. Look! The family and I had a really fun time. We spread my vintage Chia Pet collection with seeds right before Thanksgiving. So we've given them a little over a week to grow, and they are bushy.
And those are the little plants trying to grow right now.
They are little plants trying to grow. So we're having like a funky vintage theme to our Hanukkah party. I have fried and fried and fried latkes until I can fry no longer. So that's the amount of latkes you need. You need as many as you can possibly fry, and then you stop and you shower, but you don't blow dry your hair because there's no time. So I'm going to quickly just show you what I have set up in the kitchen. We're doing latke bar, salad, we have a few jelly donuts, and some neighbors are bringing some other things. And we're going to have drinks, and we're going to do a Latke Schmooze with the neighbors, right? You want to come with me? Okay, here we go. All right. So we've just set everything up in the kitchen because it's going to be a lot of people. We have cheeses, hard-boiled eggs, veggies and dip, different condiments to put on your latkes. We're going to dip up the lox to have lox on top of latkes if you want. Salad. Someone's bringing Israeli salad, so it's basically vegetarian except for the lox. And over here we have several mountains of latkes that I fried in advance. I'm going to put one cookie sheet, one layer in at a time in my oven to pre-warm them, and I have even more latkes waiting over here. And then just wine, juice, waters, and sodas are going to be set up on the other side of the sink, so it's very functional. And we're going to put some kids at the breakfast nook and some people in the other room. Come see just the last little details in here. And we've just decorated really simply. I know I discussed with you that I promised for Budget Hanukkah that I was not buying decorations and going crazy at Target like a lot of people do. So the Chia Pets and the nuts and the Christmas cacti and all of my daughter's crafts are decorating around the living room tonight. We're gonna have dessert in this room. So I have a box of sufganiyot, some beautiful pink grapefruit that it's actually pomelo that we peeled today, grapes and candies, and that's all we need. So thank you so much. I just wanted to give you a little overview, and we're expecting company in like 2 minutes. So wish us luck. Have a very happy Hanukkah. Bye-bye.
And the grapes.